Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Derivatives, limits completed, derivatives. What is the derivative definition? Suppose f is a real valued function at the point A, such that limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h. F of a by h. What is the next one? First principle, that is first principle of derivative. What is the first principle of derivative? Suppose f is a real valued function at a point A, the function f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is called first principle of derivative. First principle, derivative of the first principle. First principle. First principle, that the f of x is a function. The derivative of f of x is a function. F of x is a function. The derivative of f of x is denoted by the derivative of f of x with respect to x is denoted by f dash of x. The derivative of f of x with respect to x is denoted by f dash of x. F dash of x means 1 dash means one time derivated. So f dash of x over d by dx of f of x, d by dx of f of x. Suppose f of x taken y is equal to f of x. The derivative of f of x over the derivative of y both are same because y is equal to f of x. The derivative of y over the derivative of f of x is equal, both are equal. So the derivative of f of x is denoted by f dash of x over dy dx of f of x. For example, the f of x is taken y, means this also dy by dx, also derivative of f of x over y dash over y1 over capital dy also the derivative of y with respect to x, y1 also y1 one time the derivative of y with respect to x, the derivative of y dash also the derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx, dy by dx of y means dy by dx simply. This is also derivative of y with respect to x. So f of x is equal to y. So derivative of f d by dx of f of x means derivative of f of x and f dash of x. This one. And formulas, some formulas. What is the formula? First one, d by dx of means d by dx means derivative. D is nothing but derivative with respect to x. D by dx means derivative with respect to x. D by dx of x power n. D by dx of x power n formula n into a power n minus 1. N into a power n minus, this is the fundamental formula. Derivative of x power n. Derivative of x power n is equal to n into a power n minus 1. So derivative of x. This is x power n is the algebraic or polynomial derivative. Algebraic is nothing but x square. These all are algebraic, and polynomial, we know polynomial a1x power n is polynomial. So both are same. So from the derivative of x power n from the derivative of x power n by using this formula. From the derivative of x power n, we have to find derivative of x. How to find? By using the formula. Here observe the formula once again. Derivative of x power n, this is basis variable, power constant, n is a constant, n is a any value, positive, negative, fraction, anything, real number. So x means what? This is derivative of x. Derivative of formula x power n is equal to derivative of x power n is equal to n power into power. We can write before n into power into est power and est power. How much power? N into x power n minus 1. Power into x power minus 1. No, this is the formula. Derivative of x power n. No. Power into x power minus 1. This is the formula. Derivative of x. So, x is nothing but derivative of x power 1. No. Here n is equal to what? 1. No. N is equal to 1. So, n is equal to 1 into power into x power 1 minus 1. So, this is equal to 1 into x power 0. Any power 0 equal to 1. So, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Once again, derivative of x power 10. Derivative of x power 10. Derivative of x power 10. Here n is equal to what? Here n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 means n into x power n minus 1. So 10 into x power 9. Okay. Next, d by dx of x power 1 by 2. That's it. 1 by 3 for example. 1 by 2 is nothing but root x. Okay, anything 1 by 2. So positive value, fraction value, next one negative value. Derivative of x power n. No. Derivative of x power n is equal to n into 1 by 3 into x power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 into x power 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay, clear? Next, d by dx of 1 by x. d by dx of 1 by x. d by dx of 1 by x is nothing but d by dx of 1 by x is nothing but x power minus 1. You know, 1 by x square is equal to x power minus 2. 1 by x square is equal to x power minus 2. 1 by x is equal to x power minus 1. X power minus 1 minus 1 into n into x power n minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 into x power minus 2. That is equal to minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x is equal to x power minus 1. Any algebraic and x something, x power, x root x, cube root of x, fifth root of x, any power of x, x power any, okay, x power any value, that procedure by using the single fundamental formula x power n. Single fundamental formula x power n. Okay, clear? So this is the x power anything root x. For example, d by dx of root x. d by dx of root x is nothing but d by dx of x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2, this is the which type of formula? X power n. X power n formula n into that is equal to n into x power n minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 means 1 by x power 1 by 2. 1 by x power 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 is nothing but root x. Derivative of root x. Derivative of root x. This is the procedure. Derivative of root x. Root x x power 1 by 2. Here n is equal to 1 by 2. N into x power n minus 1. First of all are formulas are perfect ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸು, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ root x, x power minus 1 by 2, negative value, fractional value or any by using the single formula. So derivative of d by dx of constant equal to 0. Which one are constants? X, y, function, y is equal to something. Y function is taken y with respect to x, y. The remaining all are constants. Only two are not constants. Which are they? X, y. X means what? With respect to x. Y means what? Y is taken function, any function. Y is equal to x power n. X power n, x is a function. This function is taken y. F of x is equal to y. So y x tappa, remaining all are without 2, remaining all are constant. So derivative of constant is equal to 0. Derivative of constant, derivative of 1, derivative of a, b, c, d. Okay, derivative of 100,000, these all are constant, direct constant. Next, derivative of x power n. Next formula, derivative of algebraic completed. Next logarithms. Derivative of log x. Derivative of log x to the base e is equal to, base e means derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. These all are have the proof. One derivative of x is equal to 1, derivative x power 10, derivative log x 1 by x, by all are have the proof by using the first principle formula. First principle formula use ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ derivatives అనేది ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. You can find any function derivative by using the formula f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Any function derivative by using this one. Okay, log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, for example, d by dx of log 2x, that is ax. D by dx of log ax. So log is a function. E means what? Nothing important. Log x means base e must be base e. Without base e is particularly given. Log x base 10, log x base 5, this is already given. Though not given means e. Okay, base. But this is log function. This is x. Here this function, in this problem, x means what? This is the totally. Okay, so next okay, next one, d by dx of e power x. D by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. So d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. Exponential, logarithm, algebraic. Next, trigonometry. dy dx of sin x. sin x sin cos ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನು? sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. sin x derivative cos x derivative sin x, but negative positive is next. First sin x derivative cos x is best. Cos x derivative sin x means no problem, is near to equal, near to correct. So sin x derivative tan x means this is blunder mistake. Small mistake means what? Sin cos. Cos minus sin plus sin, cos x derivative sin x minus sin x is confusion. It is common thing. So sin x derivative cot x, sin x derivative tan x andre is blunder mistakes. So first derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of sin x cos x. So derivative of sin cos x okay. Derivative of sin x tan x cot tan secant andre is blunder mistake. So derivative of sin x sin cos relation ide. Sin derivative cos, cos derivative sin. So derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x, not minus tan x. This is the biggest mistake. So derivative of tan x, derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x, not secant x, secant square x. Derivative of dy dx of cot x, dy dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. dy dx of secant x, dy dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. dy dx of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Next dy dx of cosecant x, dy dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x, minus cosecant x into cot x. These are already discussed. Once again this one. So for example, next one, this is the fundamental formulas. Next derivative of Ku, this is the next formula. Derivative of Ku. Here K is a constant, U is a function. U is a function. So any doubt means for Ku, U is a function. So here U is a constant, is a constant U is not a constant, because U is here, U is function is not y. Here in the problem, in the formula, the function is U. Only two are didn't constants. What are they? Function and with respect to. With respect to x is not a constant, function is not a constant. Function is y, z, any, you can take any. So that U is not a constant. So K into constant, K into U, derivative of K into U. K is a constant, U is a function. So derivative of constant is equal to 0. Derivative of only constant 0. Derivative of only constant into any other variable, another function, by other function. Okay, this type of into function, constant into function, constant by function, this type of functions is not, derivative is not 0. So only constant function, only constant one, derivative 0. So here derivative of constant into U, constant to function ಎರಡು ಇದೆ. Constant into U, U is a function. U function is not always not a constant, not 0. So derivative of derivative of 1. So derivative of constant is equal to 0. Single, only function, constant function. Derivative of only constant function is 0. Derivative of constant into other function is not 0. So what is the procedure? Clear. Derivative of k into u is equal to k into k is don't do anything, derivative anything, okay, k into derivative of u, okay, are clear? Derivative of k into u, k is a function, u is a function, k is a constant function, u is other function. So derivative of constant into u means the constant into derivative of the other function. So constant ನೀವು derivative ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, should not be do the derivative, okay, because the derivative of constant of derivative 0 into something is also 0. So any function constant into any function derivative 0. So that's why that procedure is not correct. So constant into means constant into derivative of another function. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ನು ಈ ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2x, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2x. ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2x means this 2 is a constant and x is a another function. 2 is a constant function and x is another function. So what is the answer? 2. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ అనేది ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂದರೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡು. ಆ ಇಂಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಕనుక ಬೇರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂದರೆ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, d by dx of x is equal to what? 1 equal to 2 into, next ಅದೇ d by dx of k by u, d by dx of k by u is equal to by u into u by u, okay. So k into d by dx of 1 by u, this is the procedure. One example, d by dx of k by x, d by dx of k by x. So k by x constant to derivative of x 1, so it is not correct, okay. So u by v is equal to derivative of u by v is equal to derivative of u by derivative of not v, okay. So k is a constant, k separate from the derivative, limits also same. The constant is separate from the derivative into d by dx of 1 by x. So that is equal to k into d by dx of 1 by x. Here d by dx of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square into minus 1 by x square, okay. These are the main things. These are only formulas. This is applications, problem applications. This is second one. Third one, d by dx of k plus u, d by dx of k plus u. d by dx of k plus u, k is a constant here, all k is always constant, okay, k into u plus u. So d by dx of k plus d by dx of u into ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕೇನು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 0 ಇಂಟು ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ 0 ಬೈ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ 0 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾಟ್ 0, 0 plus something is equal to something. 0 minus something is equal to minus something. So value is there. So not 0. That's why clear. 0 into anything equal to 0. 0 by anything equal to 0. That's why we k into u, k by u, don't do the derivative of k. So 0 plus anything, anything. There is no problem. 0 minus anything equal to minus anything. So problem is there. So okay, no problem. So d0 d by dx of k plus u means derivative of k plus derivative of u, no problem. One example, d by dx of 2 plus e power x, d by dx of 2 plus e power x. So that is equal to d by dx of 2 plus d by dx of e power x. D by dx of 2, 0. D by dx e power x, e power x. 0 plus e power x is equal to e power x. Next fourth one. D by dx of k minus u. So minus also no problem. D by dx of k minus d by dx of u. An example, d by dx of 2 minus e power x is equal to d by dx of 2 minus d by dx of e power x. D by dx of 2, derivative of 2 is a constant, derivative of 2 is 0, minus derivative of e power x, e power x. Derivative of 2 minus derivative of e power x, this one, next one. So constant, about the constant, constant into function, constant by function, constant plus function, constant minus function. Okay, these all are completed. Okay, this today class is very important class. Today class very important class. That's why 1 or 2 times video, you can see the video and understanding the class. Okay, next, this is constant, about the constant, derivative of only constant 0, derivative of constant into function, so constant into that function, derivative of function, constant by function, constant into function. Okay, so this one, so constant plus u, so derivative of constant plus derivative of function, because of 0 plus function is equal 0 plus function is equal 0 function, 0 minus function 0, and 0 into function is equal 0, 0 by function is equal also 0. That's why this is a procedure. Today class very important class. Next, d by dx of u plus v, d by dx of u plus v. D by dx of u plus v, we both are functions. U, v are both are functions without constant functions. Okay, any function. So derivative of d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. So one example, d by dx of x plus e power x, x plus e power x. So d by dx of x plus d by dx of e power x. So that is equal d by dx of x, d by dx of e power x, e power x. So next, d by dx of x minus u minus v. U minus v is equal to d by dx of u minus d by dx of v. An example, d by dx of x minus sin x. So that is equal to d by dx of x minus d by dx of sin x. So d by dx of x is equal to 1, sin x derivative cos x, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Next, d by dx of e power ax, d by dx of e power ax. This is the formula of e power x. Only e power x. Derivative of e power x, e power x. This is only e power x. This is the type of e power x. Type of e power x not equal to e power x. So this is e compared to e power x. E is same. Ax x power. So this is all are taken x. For example, x anuko. Say ax is equal to x. Say. So derivative of e power ax is equal to e power ax because of derivative of e power x is same. Derivative of e power x, e power x. Derivative of e power ax also, e power ax is not complete, into derivative of x into derivative of x, because e power x derivative e power x, here e power x derivative e power x, d by dx of e power x, e power x derivative e power x into derivative of x also, derivative of x 1, no. So no problem. E power x into 1 is equal to e power x. So here a power x is derivative, a power x derivative also 1 means remove, leave it. A power x derivative not 1, any, okay. So e power derivative e power x and again derivative of x. So derivative of x 1 is no problem, anything into 1 is equal to anything, anything by 1 is equal to anything, so no problem. So here derivative of e power ax into e power x into derivative of ax is 1 means, okay, leave it. Derivative of ax not 1. What is the ax? Derivative of ax, derivative of ax is equal to derivative of k into u. Here a is a constant, here a is a constant, x is a variable. So derivative of k into u is equal to k into derivative of u. So e power ax into a is a constant into d by dx of x. Derivative of x is equal to 1, no. One example, d by dx of e power ax is equal to e power 2x is equal to what? Derivative of e power ax is equal to a into e power ax. Derivative of 2x is equal to 2 into e power 2x. Clear? Next, derivative of sin ax. Derivative of sin ax. First of all, the sin is a function. So x is only x, not x. Totally. Sin remaining are x. Sin x. So for example, ax is equal to x. So taken x. Derivative of sin x is equal to, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. So here x is also ax, same as it is cos x. So into derivative of ax. So derivative of ax is equal to a. Derivative of ax is equal to a into x derivative 1, no. So that is equal to a into cos ax. Example, derivative d by dx of sin 10x. D by dx of sin 10x is equal to, here a is equal to what? 10. 10 into sin ax. So ax is equal to 10x. Next, last one. D by dx of secant ax. What is the derivative of secant x? Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. Derivative of secant ax is equal to secant ax into tan ax into a. Derivative of ax is equal to a. It must compulsory. A compulsory. Secant x derivative secant x into tan x. secant ax derivative secant ax and tan x is not correct. Into derivative of x. So here x is equal to what? Ax. One example. d by dx of secant 5x. Secant 5x is equal to derivative of secant 5x. Secant 5x into tan 5x into 5, because derivative of 5x is equal to 5. Okay, this is the today only explanation. This is today class is very important class. One or more times we have to see in video, and you will understand in the class. Tomorrow I will continue the exercise, single exercise. Okay.